The black swan theory refers to crisis events that occur only rarely, are very difficult to predict, and seem to erupt all at once with catastrophic effect. A general counsel can best serve the company by being fully prepared for that crisis, by going through preparedness and planning processes, developing scenario plans and crisis plans in advance, and testing them can be what makes the difference when the crisis event hits the company. Those crisis plans should be bespoke to each individual company, its industry, their business lines, their people from top to bottom. It's certainly true that a general counsel is not going to have a plan for every scenario possible, but that planning process is indispensable in flexing the muscle that the management team and board leverage when a crisis does occur. The cost of getting it wrong could not be more clear. The companies that get it right all have one thing in common, and that is that they ground their response in several core principles. Number one, they demonstrate both in communication and action that they are being accountable. They are demonstrating that to all of their key stakeholders, be those stakeholders lawmakers, law enforcement, legislators, regulators, shareholders, and employees. Number two, these companies demonstrate transparency to the greatest extent possible. They are communicating what they are doing, how they are doing it, and when they expect they might be able to bring resolution to a particular issue openly with their key stakeholders. And lastly, depending on the circumstances, they are demonstrating concern and compassion for those who are impacted. But the bottom line is two I's. They are demonstrating intentionality in how they work at the crisis, and throughout, they are demonstrating integrity to those observers who are watching.